Hello students, welcome to this series of lectures. But now this is our last topic and this is our last lecture, right? Today's topic is perimeter and area. You all know perimeter and area, right? So before we start solving questions, first let us learn some formulae, revise, let us recall all these formulae, and for even for triangle, right? So we are not only considering rectangle, square, but some more figures also. So let us first start from perimeter. Now, first of all, what is perimeter? It is the total length of boundary. Two examples you have to remember. Suppose this is a blackboard. So what is the total age? Suppose I want to put a colorful tape over there. So how much tape is required? So I will start from that corner. I will put like this 1, then 2, then 3 and 4. So that is just a boundary. Perimeter means total length of boundary. Okay. So in this case, this is a rectangular. So I will write length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. So the formula is 2L plus 2B. Okay. So that is the perimeter. And when area, I have to paint here something. When this board is to be painted, suppose this is a wooden board and I have to paint with white color. So this inside I have to paint. I have to plant lawn in a garden. So these are the questions of area. So there we have to find out area, right? So let us learn the formula, and we have area of rectangle and square and perimeter of some more figures. Okay, so let us start. First of all, perimeters. Perimeters and here area. Perimeter of, let us take first rectangle. We have done this just now also. We have discussed it is 2 length plus 2 breadth, or you can say 2 into bracket L plus B. Then square. We know square has all 4 sides equal. That is side plus side plus side plus side. That is nothing but 4 into side. So perimeter of square is 4 into side, or we can say that 4 into length of side, or it is okay. A, sometimes they write A also. So A is the length of side. Then comes triangle. Triangle. Usually how it is written, A plus B plus C. I will explain the meaning. What is A plus B plus C? So when a triangle is drawn like this with A, B, C, then side opposite to angle A is denoted by A, side opposite to angle B is denoted by small b. They are small a, small b and small c. These small letters indicate the length of sides. Small a represents side, length of side opposite to angle A. Small b represents length of side opposite to angle B. And small c represents length of side opposite to angle C. And therefore, sum of all the 3 sides. It is simple. Sum of lengths of all the 3 sides. Perimeter means what? Total boundary. Total boundary means whatever number of sides it has, you have to add them all. If they are equal, it is good. Otherwise, just add them. Okay. And then next is, in triangle, we have 2 isosceles triangle. What is isosceles triangle? 2 sides are equal. In isosceles triangle, we have 2 sides have equal lengths, say A, and B is the base. Now here we will consider, because they are congruent sides, so we will write them congruent sides. Congruent means equal sides. Equal sides are denoted by A, and this is called base. Non-equal side is called base of isosceles triangle. And therefore, the perimeter will be 2A plus B. It is like this, as per sure. And for equilateral triangle, all 3 sides are equal. Equilateral triangle. That is All three A, and therefore it is 3 into A. Like square. Square has all 4 sides equal and it has 4 sides. So 4 into side or 4 into A. Here it is 3 into A. These are the important. And now if there is a regular pentagon. Pentagon means it is a 5-sided figure. It has 5 sides and 5 angles. And if all 5 sides are equal, it is called as regular pentagon. And when all 5 sides equal, 5 into length of each side. If it is hexagon, 6-sided. If it is octagon, 8-sided. Decagon, 10-sided. Whatever is given. Okay. So if all sides equal, it is called as regular polygon, regular decagon, regular octagon, like that. So you have to just, octagon means 8 into side, decagon 10 into side, hexagon 6 into side. That's all. Okay. Yeah, this is regarding this. And area we have only 2, that is rectangle. It is length into breadth. Length into breadth. This is the area of rectangle. And then square. Here it is also length into length, but both the lengths are same. And that is why it becomes L into L, or we can call it as side square. Right? So for mat, we have only this much in geometry. This is part of geometry, right? So only this much in geometry. So let us see, revise the formula. All the formula are given in the book. Learn them carefully, learn them properly. And if you use them frequently, then only you will remember. Just by hearting, you will not be able to recollect at the time of solving. And that is why keep practicing. That is the important thing. Okay. So now let us start solving. Some difficult sums are there. We'll discuss. See the first one itself. A square is divided into 3 identical rectangles. See, this is a square given. The perimeter of each one of these rectangles is 24. What is the area of square? Original figure. Let us first see here what is given. This is a square given. And it is divided into 3 rectangles like this. All these are identical rectangles. Means their length and breadth are equal. Right? Means length and breadth of each rectangles are equal. And this is a square. Means all sides equal. Okay. So, and what else is given to us? That perimeter of each smaller rectangle, this smaller rectangle, it is given to us. Okay. So let us consider the breadth. This breadth is x centimeters. Because it is not given. Okay. So I will write let breadth of small rectangle be x centimeters. Right? So now this is x, means this is also x, this is also x. So total it has become 3x. Right? So this is total is 3x. And because the original figure is a square, all these are 3x. Therefore, length is equal to, therefore, side of square we can say, therefore, side of square equal to 3x. Okay. Now what is given to us? That perimeter of rectangle, this perimeter, this rectangle. Now here length is 3x and breadth is x. So formula is perimeter is equal to 2 into bracket L plus B. So 2 into bracket length is 3x and breadth is x. And perimeter is given to us, that is 24. So this is equal to 2 into a 3x plus x is 4x. And therefore it is 8x is equal to 24. Simple. And therefore what we get? X is equal to 8 3s are 24, divide. 8 you take on the other side, it will be divided by. This all thing we have done in topic use of letters. So how to use them and how to simplify. Okay, what we did, length is 3x, breadth is x. So this 3x plus x becomes 4x. 4x into 2 is 8x. And the perimeter of each small rectangle is given. That is 24. So 8x is equal to 24. And therefore, x is equal to 3. Here, perimeter of rectangle is given to us. See here. This is given in the question, 24. That we have used here. So we got x is equal to 3. And then therefore, what is the side of square? Therefore, we'll get side of square equal to 3 into 3, that is 9. Right? And now area. What is the question? What is the area of this square? Original square, this big square. So area of square equal to side into side. And that is 9 into 9. And therefore 81. And the unit of area is always square centimeters. Or we can write 81 centimeter square. Both are correct. Whatever is given. Now see, so the answer is 81 square centimeters. So here it is option B, 81 square centimeters. This is the correct answer. Okay, let us move to next question. Oh, this is again of that type. Length of side of a square is x. So that means this length is given x. Here it is given. And because it is a square, all the sides are x. Okay, I will draw here once again. This is all x, 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 x. Okay, centimeters. Everywhere it is centimeters. See, in geometrical figure, always write lengths along with the unit. Then a rectangle of width 2 centimeter and square of side 2 centimeters are cut as shown in the figure. This dotted line indicates that here it is cut. Here these are the cuts. So let us do like this. This is cut 2 centimeters, right? And here it is 2, 2, 2. 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. This much part is cut. Okay, so now cut means what we are going to do? We will remove this part. This much portion is cut, so let us remove only this much and this part. Okay, so now what is remaining? Remaining part is this much. So we have to find out perimeter of new figure left. So perimeter means this side, 1, this side, then these 3 sides. Now they are nothing but, what is this now? Full this was x. So 2 centimeters are cut. And therefore, this much portion is x minus 2. Because the upper 2 centimeter part is cut. Same way here also this will be x minus 2 centimeters. And this portion also will be, because only this much 2 centimeter portion is cut. So this is also x minus 2. Only this remains x. So let us add x plus x minus 2 plus x minus 2. This is x, then x minus 2, x minus 2, x minus 2. Okay, so what I have done? X, x minus 2, x minus 2, and this x minus 2. This part and this part together. These two together is x minus 2. But we have to consider these 3 also. and therefore it is plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. Once again, look here. The original it was upper part, it was fully it was x. Out of that, this 2 centimeters are cut. So the remaining part is x minus 2. This remaining part is x minus 2. Then out of this whole, this 2 centimeter is cut. So this is also x minus 2. And only this side remains as it is, that is x. Also, it is cut here, but it is like this. The square is cut. So these edges are there. So while finding perimeter, we have to add them together. So what we are adding? X, then this x minus 2, then this x minus 2, then this bottom line x minus 2, and then 2 plus 2 plus 2. And now all these 2's will get cancelled. 2 minus 2, 2 minus minus 6, and minus plus 6. They will get cancelled, and simply x plus x plus x plus x, that is 4x. So 4x centimeters is the perimeter of remaining figure. Here the option is C. Always think of this also, otherwise you will get wrong answer. You are cutting only this much portion. I am cutting. It was like this, and only this much part I cut, removed, only this much part is removed, and therefore this part is as it is. This 2 plus 2 plus 2 is as it is, because it is a square. So all sides are 2, 2, 2, right? And we have to consider this, we have to add them together. And this minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, they will get cancelled, and only 4x will remain. So perimeter is 4x. Okay, let us move to next question. Again, it is like that. Oh, in the given figure, ABCD is a square with area 324 square centimeter. And area of shaded square is 144. It is surrounded by 4 rectangles of equal area. Find the perimeter of each rectangle. We have to find out perimeter of rectangle. Each rectangle means we have to find out length and breadth of each rectangle. Okay, let us draw this figure here. Inside there is a square. This area is 144. Okay, now how it is given? This is one rectangle. Then this is another rectangle. This is another. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the rectangles, right? Now the original square ABCD has area of square. This is the symbol of square. Area of square ABCD equal to 324. That is equal to side into side. Yeah, that is side square is 324. Whose square is 324? You have to learn square numbers also, right? And therefore side is equal to 18, because 18 square is 324, and therefore side, this side, all sides, I mean, these are 18, 18, 18, 18. Okay, now inner square is given, that is 12. Inner square, the area is 144, so side is 12. So inner square has area with area 144, with area 144 centimeters square. This is important, right? And therefore side of inner square is 12. 144 is a square of 12. You have to learn square numbers also. So it is 12 centimeters. Now look here, this part is 12. This part is 12, and this whole side AB is 18. Yes. This is 18. And now this side, because this square has area 144, this side is 12. And because these rectangles are identical rectangles, their breadths are equal. So this much portion and this much portion, that is this much, they are same, right? This and this are same. So if you consider them A, so A plus 12 plus A plus 12 plus A equal to 18. This full length is 18. A plus 12 plus A is 18. That is 2A plus 12 equal to 18. Now simplify this. Take 12 on the other side. So 2A is equal to 18 minus 12. 2A is equal to 6 and A is equal to 3. So what is A? A is the width of this each rectangle. That is 3. A is 3. A is nothing but the width of rectangle, each rectangle. Everywhere it is 3. This is 3. This part is 3. This part is 3. This is also 3. Everywhere it is. Right? Now what we got? We got breadth of that smaller rectangle. Now what we need to find out perimeter of each rectangle? Length. Now look here. AB is equal to, what is AB? AB is fully 18. And this is nothing but length, this length of rectangle plus A is equal to L plus A. This is L plus A. Length of rectangle plus A. So 18 is equal to length plus A is equal to 3. Just now we got. So subtract, and L is equal to 18 minus 3, and that is 50. So now we have breadth A, that is 3, and length is 15. So we can find out area, perimeter we have to find out. Perimeter is 2 into bracket L plus B. And this is nothing but 2 into L is 15, breadth is 3, and therefore 2 into 18, and the answer is 36 centimeters. Perimeter of each small rectangle. These 4 rectangles are there. Perimeter means this side, that is length, and breadth. And that is 36. So option is B. So like this, we have to solve these type of questions. They are slightly difficult, but do carefully and solve them. Practice them. Practice is the most important. Practice only will make you perfect, right? So next question now. It is also of similar type, right? All these are based on figures. Okay, what is given? This is a rectangular park. I will draw a slightly bigger figure. Let us draw a bigger figure. Whatever is given, we are going to show. This is 40 meters and this is 30 meters. This is a rectangular garden, 40 meters length, 30 meters width. Then it is divided into 3 belts. There are 3 belts. The outermost belt is for walking. This is a walking track, like this. This is a walking track. Okay. Walking track of width 5. This width is 5. This much width is 5. This much width is 5. This is 5 means this dotted is also 5. Then what is the remaining part? 40 minus 5 equal to 35. So this length is 35. What next is given? The middle belt is a lawn with width 10. Now here the width is more. This belt is given with width 10. This is 10. This is also 10. Right? And therefore this is also 10. and this part is play area. Okay, the middle part is shaded. The lawn part is shaded. Remaining area is kept for play. Then find the area of lawn that is shaded. So we have to find out area of this. So look here, see the figure, how it is in the L shape. So this L shape figure we will divide into two rectangles. Okay, it is like this. It is like this, right? L shape. We will divide into two rectangles. This one and this one. Here it is given 40 minus 5, so this is 35. And this width is 10, so this is 10. So area of this rectangle is simply 35 into 10. Okay, area of this rectangle. You can give names also. Say A, B, C, and D. And here it is E, F, and G. Same names we will give here. A, B, C, D. And then here it is E, and here it is F, and here it is G. So first area of, we'll write here, area of rectangle ABCD is L into B, formula is L into B, L is 35 and breadth is 10. And therefore area is 350 square meters. Now we have to find out this much, area of this much portion, this is. So for that, this breadth is 10, we know. No, this is 10. Width is 10, so this is also 10. What about this CG? Look here. CG is nothing but this much portion. This portion, right? Now, the whole width of the rectangular garden is 30. Out of that, this is 5, this is 10. So how much is remaining part? That is 30 minus 15. This 5 and this 10. 30 minus 15, right? And therefore, this is 15 and this is 10. So now area of rectangle ECGF ECGF. This is equal to 10 into 15 and therefore it is 150 square meters. And now we have to find the total area. That is therefore total area of lawn, equal to 350 plus 150. And this is nothing but 500 square meters. So the answer is area of lawn is 500 square meters. That is option C. Okay, let us move to next question. Yes, now the next question is length of a rectangle is 5/4 of its breadth and its perimeter is given. Okay, so let us do what is given, that length of a rectangle, that is length is equal to 5/4 of breadth. Nothing is given to us. So let us first consider, let breadth equal to x centimeters. Therefore, length equal to 5/4 x centimeters. Now perimeter is given. perimeter equal to 90 centimeters. So let us use the formula. Perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. Right? So 2 into what is L? That is 5x upon 4 plus x. And perimeter is given 90. Correct? So this is equal to 2 into bracket. Now let us add this here. 5x upon 4 plus x. Now only x means only 1 is there. So let us multiply both by 4. And therefore it is 5x upon 4 plus 4x upon 4. And this is nothing but 5x plus 4x, 9x upon 4. Okay. So let us write here 9x upon 4. Okay. Now 2 into 9 upon 4x. We can cancel these two. 2 ones are, 2 twos are. And therefore finally what we got? 90 is equal to 9 upon 2x. Now in topic use of letters we have done. This fraction is multiplied here at this side. If you take on the other side, it will be its reciprocal. It will become 2 upon 9 into 90 equal to x. And now 9 ones are, 9 tens are. And therefore we got x is equal to 20. So what is 20? Breadth is 20. Okay, what we have to find out is area. So area is equal to length into breadth. So what we need to find out is length now, because breadth we got. Our breadth is x. So we got breadth 20. So what is length? B is equal to 20 and L is equal to 5 upon 4 into 20. And that is 4 ones are, 4 fives are. This is equal to 25 centimeters. And therefore now area is 25, length is 25, breadth is 20, and therefore area is 25 twos are 50, 500 square meters. This is the answer. What we did, length of rectangle and breadth, it was given in the form of 5/4 of breadth. So first we consider breadth x, length, therefore length becomes 5 upon 4x. Perimeter is given to us. So we just substituted values in the form of x. We got this. Separately we have done here. This part is done here. So how we got 9x upon 4. Then simplify them. Fraction, if you take on the other side, it will become a reciprocal. So simplify, we got x is 20, breadth is 20, and therefore length is 5 upon 4 of 20, that is 25. And now length into breadth. Okay. So next question. Answer we discussed, that is 500, answer D, previous question. Now here again, a triangular garden has two equal sides. Two equal sides means it is isosceles triangle. So it is a triangular garden. One sum must be of triangle. Yeah, this is a triangular garden. And these two sides are equal. It is given. So this is isosceles triangle. A, B, C, right? Triangular garden has two equal sides of 70 meters. Okay, so these are given 70 meters, 70 meters. A boy covers a total distance of 2 kilometers when he runs 10 rounds along the perimeter of a triangular garden. He is running along these edges of triangle. How many rounds? 10 rounds. And in 10 rounds, he covers 2 kilometers. But this side is not given to us. So let us consider this side x. Let base BC equal to x. So now let us find out perimeter. Therefore, perimeter equal to 2 into 2a plus isosceles triangle. I have given formula 2a plus b. B is base and a means equal sides. So 2 into 70 plus x. So that is 140 plus x. Right? So if he runs one round around this garden, he runs how much distance? 140 plus x meters. But he is running 10 rounds, right? So therefore 10 rounds. Distance in one round we will write. Distance in one round is 140 plus x meters. Therefore distance he runs, distance in 10 rounds equal to 10 into 140 plus x. And this is equal to 1400 plus 10x. But this distance is given 2 kilometers. These are meters. Be careful with these units. These are meters and distance given is 2 kilometers. So let us convert 2 kilometers into meters. So 2 kilometers equal to 2 into 1000 meters. And therefore it is 2000 meters. So let us write here 2000 meters is equal to 1400 plus 10x. Let us bring it on this side. That is 2000 minus 1400 equal to 10x. This is nothing but 600 equal to 10x. And therefore x is equal to 60. So what is the third side? X, that is 60. What we have to find out? Find the length of third side. It is 60. So the option is C. Correct? Let us move to next question. Okay. Look here. It is given 8 squares made of metallic wire are open. There are 8 squares. Square 8 of metallic wire. It is open. That wire is open. That square is made into a straight wire. Okay. And then bent into 10 octagons. They are again converted into octagons. Okay. With each side 8 centimeters. Then find the length of each side of a square. We don't know what is the length of each side. Okay. Let us see now what happens. 8 squares made of metallic wire opened. Square. Now, first of all, for that, what we need to have length of wire of that square means nothing but the perimeter. Okay, so perimeter of one square, side is not known. Perimeter, nothing but perimeter is nothing but length of wire. Length of wire equal to 4 into side. Side is not given. That is what we have to find out. 4 into side. And like this, there are 8 squares. Therefore, length of wire of 8 squares equal to 8 into 4 into side. And that is equal to 32 into side. Side we can consider as x, but let it be like this. Okay. Now, the same wire is used for making 10 octagons of each side 8 centimeter. So now length of wire for one octagon. Length of wire required for one octagon is equal to 8 into side. 8 into side, because it is octagon, means 8-sided figure, and side of octagon is given to us, and that is equal to 8 into 8. So that is 64 centimeters. Here side is given to us. So 64 centimeters. And like this, there are 10 octagons. And therefore, length of wire required for 10 octagons is equal to 10 into 64. That is 640 centimeters. Now, this wire is obtained from opening these 8 squares. So that means this length and these lengths are equal. So let us write down, therefore 32 into S is equal to 640. And therefore S is equal to 640 upon 32. And now 32 twos are 64. And therefore answer, side is equal to 20 centimeters. So side of that square is 20 centimeters. Option is B. Okay. So that's all for this topic. And keep practicing. That is going to help you. Whenever you require, you can see these videos and just confirm your answers or verify your answers or practice, or some clues also you will get from these videos. Okay. So all the best. Keep practicing. You will get good marks if you do more practice. Refer our books. That's all.